So where can people find you online? Like, what's your Facebook, your YouTube handle? I mean, how can people find you?
I'm all the where. I'm everywhere. No, actually, right now, my new crazy thing is Clubhouse. I'm in love with that thing. Come on,
Mhm.
you can find me like Patricia Luciano in Clubhouse. You can find me on Instagram like Patricia Lucian with a zero. Like because I couldn't make the person who has Patricia Luciano sell it to me, so it's
Mm.
Patricia Lucian with a zero in the end. Also, I have a Facebook fan page, but I'm getting to understand what I'm going to do with that. So
Mhm.
mostly what I do is Instagram, Clubhouse, LinkedIn, and right now I'm starting again with Twitter. On YouTube, I have a lot of things, but are in Spanish. But this year, and actually it was like 4 or 5 days ago, we decided that we're going to, like re re rebuild my channel, and things are going to be very good. But right now there is a lot of good stuff, but are not well organized. So right now I'm going to start like reorganizing it in a way that you can find it appealing. But anyways, Patricia Luciano, you can find my channel, and you're going to find tips for voiceover, tips for podcasting, or tips for oratory or speaking, public speaking or stuff like that.
Mm.
Yeah, and my website, of course, www.patricialuciano.com.
Great, great.